Another step in making pupusas is making the cheese for the filling. If you're gonna do bean and cheese, or I always do chicharron and cheese. I usually use Italian style shredded cheese. I just like the flavor that it has. And it's pretty simple. There's a few different ways to do it. Some people will do like shredded cheese and mix a green pepper, just like a chunk of green pepper, and food process it all together. The way that I do it is just the cheese, a little bit of water, really just a little bit. You can always add more if it doesn't turn out good, and just like a sprinkle of salt. And then make sure your hands are really clean, and you just like mash it up until it's like a good consistency. So I'll mash for a bit. So you just keep mashing until you get this consistency here. It works best, like I probably said before, if the consistency of the masa, the cheese, the meat, everything is all the same. So this is now, you just mash it till it gets pliable, so you can mash it, in with the pupusa. Because if it's too dry, they're gonna break. And just add a little bit of water at a time. If you can always add more, but it's really hard to try to squeeze the water out if there's too much in there. And it only takes a little bit, and just mash it with your hands till you get to this